day 2 at hall number 2. I have got two interesting guests with me, my dear friend Tom and Vishnu from CMTI. So we are having a quick stroll at the booth. So Tom, how is day 2 and how is the vibe of Intex you are getting?
Just started. We will just see how things will go. Crowd is getting,
Crowd is coming up. It's the morning.
yes.
People are getting out of the metro. The best way to come to BIC. If you want to face the traffic, take a metro from wherever you are. It's a 2 minutes to 3 minutes walk. And so you are going to give lectures from at different colleges, different universities. You are in panel speaker. So what sort of preparation you do before giving a lecture, or what sort of plans you make?
Plan is like how we can support industry.
Okay.
That will be the major thing I will be covering in the presentation. How we can, what are the, mainly focusing on the innovation. So
And Tom, everybody is talking about AI.
Yeah.
And Tom. So how personally both of you are adopting AI?
Okay. So what all the work we do, it will be automated. Most of the things will be automated work only, because it will be running for long period, and it will be different. Whatever work we do, it will be different from repetitive work, monotonous work we don't do. Most of the time we have one challenge, and the solution also will be different, and we ensure that it will be automated and the AI will be incorporated.
And
In the CMTI as well, we have a smart factory where you can find this old machine, like 50 to 60 year old machine to machine connectivity by cloud, then new machine to new machine. Such cloud, those specialty we have in CMTI. So what do we do now? This is the demo cell for the industry, and you can come and get it. So if there's a find, if they need something there in factory, they can approach to us. We'll help it out to set up the smart factory.
like on a personal level, I use these days ChatGPT. I use some AI for video editing. These days, Google is also helping us to write our email. I don't need to think too much. If you drop me an email, AI itself read and generate answer. I have to little bit of what you call touch up I gave, and then I said. So in your day-to-day life, apart from your work, how you are taking advantage of AI?
Maybe for correcting framing the words, that is a first thing. And okay, we use for solutions also.
And for photos, because you post a lot of photos on LinkedIn.
No, I have not used software.
No.
What all you use in AI? In software, ChatGPT? On personal level, not official.
Like I can say in writing a mail, writing a draft or any communication things nowadays, it has incorporated the machine itself. So there is some correction that is getting corrected automatically. So looking at the things. So that is a good way, because our old days, like traditional way, you have to write a draft, you have to show somebody, That is a way to do. Like as a government person, the letter writing to somebody to ministry level as well, just to go through many kind of version things. So it is very easy. It's kind of take a reference from others, then it is get to do. It is a good thing to have.
It's not justified anything. People are taking advantage of AI, and it's good to take advantage of the technology. Technology future. So I, Dinesh Mishra, with Tom and Vishnu, team of Intex meeting, and all to visit them, and do follow our channel. Thank you, Vishnu and Tom.
Thank you so much.